Yo, what is up, guys? So I am gonna make a video on like where to get a fidget spinner online for cheap, because whenever I looked this up I didn't find anything, so I'm gonna make a video on it. So where you want to go whenever you want to get a fidget spinner for cheap online, you go and search for cndirect.com, just like that, and it'll pop up like these weird stuff. Watch, wait. Sorry guys, it's not, I don't know why it's not doing this. There we go. It'll pop up like women's clothes. It's really weird. But if you go in the right corner, there's fidget spinners in the classroom. You click on it. This might not be cheap forever, so don't look at this and it's like 2017. Don't look at this in like 2025. So there's heart-shaped fidget spinners, everything. Like the fidget spinners can go up to 64% off, but they actually go up more to 64% off. Watch. If you go down to, I think it's these, nope, it was one of them. Oh, right here, there's 77% off. Not 64, but yeah, they're pretty cool. Iron Man ones. There's a cigarette lighter hand fidget spinner. It's for $12.80. And all these cool ones. You can pause the video and watch. You look at all of them. Sorry, I'll make it sideways for you guys. So just go like that. Wait, I can't make it sideways for you guys because then it'll look weird. I have one of these, but it's green and it's not Bluetooth. It's pretty cool. And I'll make a video on it later this week. But yeah, all these fidget spinners. Yeah. So guys, this is where to get the fidget spinners. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.